I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today is going to be a very different video. I wonder if you can guess where I am. Your girl Chelle got up way too early this morning. She drove a long way because there is heaven on earth. Guess where I am right now? There is heaven, guys. Look where I am. Your girl Chelle. She's crazy. She loves shopping. We all know that. I'm at my favorite store. My favorite store, and they're finally reopening today. Finally. Yes, my favorite store, guys, opens again today. And you know, your girl just couldn't sleep until she knew what's going on in store. So I have decided to take you along with me at not one, but I'm going to take you to 2 TK Maxx's today. 2. I've got my gloves. I've got my hand sanitizer, I've got my mask, and of course I've got you guys, because I have to take you along with me so you can see all the amazing finds. And their current logo on the window, which I'll show you in a moment, is, and I'm just reading it, big clearance at tiny prices. Very dangerous for Chelle. But I've waited so long, guys. I love this store so much, and I can't wait to show you what's inside. So let's go.
Yeah, I'm restless, so give me something to do. Yeah, I can't stay here because I need to dance. Jump around and show them how I move.
Okay, guys, so once I got inside, the very first thing that Chelle spotted was this absolutely gorgeous leopard print chair. They even had a matching footstool as well, and all the furniture, guys, was on clearance.
I got a feeling I'm gonna crash some stupid party. Tear the ceiling down in front of everybody. If someone's pouring up a drink, I'm calling shawty. I'm gonna find a crowd so I can put it on me. Swinging from the chandeliers, I won't be sorry. I got a feeling I'm gonna crash into this party. I'm just an accident waiting to happen like.
I then moved over to the aisles and aisles of home decor, and my little glam heart was obsessed with all this sparkly glam decor. I didn't know what to look at first, guys. There was just so many beautiful pieces. If you've always admired those beautiful Z Gallery inspired bookends, there was rows of them, guys, and just $19.95 each. I thought they were such a great buy.
It's all I wanna do right now. Everybody will be on me, wanna join
The rows and rows of beautiful decor was so eye-catching to see. I didn't know where to look at first, guys. There was just so much to choose from.
I'm just an accident waiting.
Now there were so many items that had a red sticker and was on clearance, like this beautiful horse print, normally $79.95, now just $28. There were so many things on sale, guys, but they also had released some beautiful new cushions, which of course I could not walk away from.
I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby.
Now guys, you know your girl Chelle is obsessed with leopard print, and of course my heart skipped a beat when I spotted these utensil holders and ice bucket. They were totally on clearance, guys, and the one I picked up was marked down to just $4.
Shiver inside, doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less.
Now guys, all the Easter decor was on clearance. The prices were crazy. There was plates for just $2 each, bunnies at $5, and table runners for just $10. Sparkly glam bunny, guys. He certainly stole my heart, and he was marked down for just $2. Now here in Australia, guys, unfortunately we don't get much Ray done. We might get a tiny bit here at TK Maxx. So I was so excited to find this Ray Dunn journal, and I was even more excited that it was marked down to just $3. And this cute bunny cushion stole my heart at just $9, as well as these adorable gold glitter Easter eggs, guys. They were on clearance for just $5, and they are battery operated and light up.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. You just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true.
guys, I was absolutely obsessed with these beautiful white baskets. There was a small and a medium, and they were both on clearance. I'm so disappointed that I didn't pick up a few of these, as I absolutely loved them. Okay, I've now entered the second TK Maxx for you today, and I absolutely was drooling once again, as it didn't disappoint either.
You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's gonna be beyond my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me.
And guys, you know your girl Chelle was absolutely drooling over this blush pink and gold 2-tier tray.
It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you.
And guys, there were so many gorgeous bunny table runners on clearance. They ranged from $9 to $10, and I couldn't make up my mind which one I should get.
Slow dancing with you. 1, 2, 3, keep it going, last forever. All blacked out, then flying with you. I don't care that my mind's gone insane and my heart will burst into flames. No, I don't care about the heartache and pain. Just don't let the memories fade.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope that you've enjoyed shopping with me at TK Maxx Australia. Guys, be sure to have your notification bell tapped, because your girl Chelle is coming back at you with the hugest TK Maxx haul ever that I've ever done on this channel. I'll be uploading that in the next day or two, guys, so make sure you're aware, and I'll be able to share all my wonderful finds. Here's a sneak peek of what I got. Until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.